Okay, so we are going to continue with conversion of units of measurement using fractions. So we need to always remember how to convert different units of measurement. For example, kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. If I want to change from centimeters to millimeters, there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter, so you multiply by 10. From meters to centimeters. Because there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter, you multiply by 100 to get from kilometers to meters. Because there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer, you need to multiply by 1,000 to get from kilometers to meter. Same thing with liters and milliliters. There are 1,000 milliliters inside a liter, so you need to multiply by 1,000. The same with kilograms and grams. 1,000 grams inside a kilogram, so you need to multiply by 1,000. We also need to remember other units of conversion, such as a rand. Inside 1 rand, there are 60 cents. Inside 1 rand. Inside 1 day, there are 24 hours. Inside 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. We need to remember all of these units of measurement and conversions in order to do this section. So if you are asked questions like this in class or in your assessment, it will be presented as follows. Express 3 and 2/5 kilometers in meters. So we have 3 wholes and 2/5 of a kilometer, and we need to express this now in meters. So the first thing you do is you take your whole number, which is 3, and you ask yourself, how many meters are there inside a kilometer? I know that there are 1,000 meters inside 1 kilometer. So to get my answer in meters, I take my whole number, which is 3, and I multiply it by 1,000 meters inside a kilometer, and my answer is 3,000. 3,000 meters inside this 3 kilometers. But I'm not finished because I haven't used my fraction yet. Now I need to find out what is 2/5 of a kilometer. The magic word is of, which means we need to multiply. So 2/5 multiplied by, in 1 kilometer, there is 1,000 meters, because they aren't my answer in meters. So I know that my 1,000 is the same as 1,000/1. So to get this answer, I have to multiply now my numerators. 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. 5 times 1, multiplying my denominator, is 5. Now I have to say 2,000 divided by 5 because this is an improper fraction. In order to do this, I can use long division. 2,000 divided by 5. 5 into 2 can't go. 5 into 20 goes 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract 0, bring down the 0. Remember, we're doing daddy, mommy, sister, brother in doing long division. Now I'm not finished. 5 into 0 goes 0 times. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Bring down the 0. 5 into 0. 5 into 0 goes 0 times. 0 times 5 is 0. Drop down the 0. 5 into 0 goes 0 times. 0 times 5 is 0. Minus 0, there's nothing more to bring down, so my answer is 400. So my wholes give me 3,000 meters, my fraction gives me 400 meters. Now I need to add them together to get the number of meters in 3 and 2/5 of a kilometer. So I say 3,000 plus 400 . 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 3 plus nothing is 3. So my answer is 3,400 meters. And that is my answer. Right, so move on to the second one. Express 2 and 1/4 days in hours. So you need to ask yourself first, how many hours are there inside 1 day? And I know that there are 24 hours inside 1 day. So the first thing I do is to take my whole number, which is 2, and I'm going to find out how many hours are inside this whole number. 2 times by 24. We can do it over each other like this. 24 multiplied by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. So I know in my whole number I have 48 hours. But I'm not done because I still have my 1/4 days. 1/4 days that I want to find out in hours, 24 hours in a day. So I say 1/4 multiplied by 24. The first step I know when multiplying is to say 24/1, which is equal to 1 times 24 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. 24/4, I cannot leave like that because it's an improper fraction. I need to ask myself, how many times can 4 go into 24? So I do my 4 times table. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So it goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times with no remainder. So my answer is 6. But I can't leave just 6 because I still have my 48 hours from the 2 wholes. So I need to add 48 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plus 1, carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 54 is my answer. My answer is 54 hours. The important thing with these Spark Scholars is to remember again how many cents they are in a rand, how many hours they are in a day, how many meters they are in a kilometer. We need to learn those first before we can do sums of this nature. So if you understand, please will you pause the video now and do these examples on your whiteboard.